Everybody loves to hear that they've performed a job well done, and we're no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us.
I am here with Megan and Brian, who just got married at the River House in Brielle. How's it going, guys? How was your wedding?
Great. I'm Megan. This is Brian, and we just got married here, as Jay just said. And Occasional Sounds were our DJs, and Jay and Chris did an amazing job. We really couldn't have asked for anything better. It was absolutely perfect. You know, we're slightly psychotic and may have picked every song choice. However, they accommodated, yeah, and they also knew when to insert certain songs, so they were really great.
Yes.
We really appreciate it.
And I second everything Megan said. Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
It's great to be part of your day. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Take care.
And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions, or let us know how we can serve you.